Hello, this is our place for 2 days and 1 night. Overnight lang kami dito. So, this is our second time around. Pero diba, na-amaze pa rin ako sa ganda. Ang aliwalas niya. Tsaka very nature. Ang fresh ng hangin, malayo sa pollution. And we decided to stay here and celebrate yung aming wedding anniversary at the same time yung birthday celebration ng aking husband. Yes, ayan. For only 8,000 pesos to stay here for 15 packs na yun. And ayan po, diba? Ang ganda. Solong-solo mo ang pool. Meron ding kawabat. And meron din silang available na I think around 8 na cab or kubo-kubo. So, where you can stay and very nature. Hindi pala siya naka-aircon guys. So, more on electric fan lang po siya. Pero at the end of the day, we're happy and satisfied. So, next time ulit, babalik kami dito and hopefully, many pa.